So we just got back from Disney Springs on our first full day on our vacation. So we're going to go over some of the stuff that we got. First, Tia has this lovely sweater that's got embroidered all of the icons of all the parks. I got this Figment collared shirt. It's neon green and Figment all over it. So I think I'm going to wear this tomorrow when we go and eat. It is a little awkward-y. I just feel like if I move the wrong way, I'm going to rip it. And I don't want to do that because it was $60. I just need to make sure I pull my sleeves up like this.
Oh, if you're going to complain about it, we're going to return it.
It's not comfortable at all, and I don't like that because I really like the shirt.
Yes.
I can't move in it. I feel like if I move my arms any further than this, it's going to rip the back. And I don't want to prove it either because it'll rip.
Your name is not the Incredible Hulk.
The next thing we got is, after much debate, we ended up going with, it's a Small World mug. It's very reminiscent of the Starbucks mugs. The shape of it is the same, but it says It's a Small World on the inside, and it's got basically the whole ride wrapped around it, so that's fun. Now, what was the debate we were having in the pin store?
Was which pins to get.
So there was a couple of different sets that we were debating on.
But we did get some other pins too. We got a Disney Springs pin.
Yeah, we've never seen that before. And we always get a pin for like everywhere we've gone, like all the resorts we stayed at. But we've gone to Disney Springs, obviously, so.
And we also got an Animal Kingdom Lodge pin because now we have stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Mm-hmm.
And we got the Funko Jungle Cruise pin.
This one is the matching pin to the Funko that came out for the Jungle Cruise, like about a month ago, and we got that, so now I have the matching Funko pin.
Okay, so we were debating between, at first, the mystery pack of...
They're like ice cream pops. We don't really know what they are, but I'll put the ones we have right here so you can see them.
Or a box of the, I think they're called King Cuties.
We have one of the pins that I'll show you right here. It's the little Dole Whip one, so that gives you an idea of what they sort of look like. But we ended up not going with either of those.
Because when I went up to the counter, I saw the donuts.
Which she also does collect, but I think most of the donuts that we have are fake.
Yeah.
Because we got them secondhand, and I had observed some of them that were clearly not real per se.
So these are obviously real.
And she's going to open them on camera right now to see which ones we get. How many are in the pack?
5. And there's a collection of 15 different designs. Oh, that actually opened a lot easier than I thought it was going to open. I don't exactly remember which all ones we have. But like Brandon said, I think a lot of them are fake. First we have Goofy. And Donald. We do have a Donald, but Brandon thinks it's fake. Oh! It's Minnie Mouse. I really like this one. So that's 3. What is it? I didn't look yet.
I don't know.
That's
Daisy?
Daisy. And last one is... Mickey! Well, that's fun. We almost got the Fab 5. We'll say Daisy's in the Fab 5 tonight. So they're cool. So I got pretty much all new ones except Donald. That was our Disney haul for today.
For the first day. I'll put up here the pins that we actually do have, because we actually have them mounted on our wall in the kitchen because we're nerds and we actually display our pins that we like.
And they're donuts, so where else would they go but
in the kitchen?
I like my shirt. I know I'm keeping it. Leave it in the comments below whether or not you think Brandon will keep this shirt he's wearing, or if he's going to change his mind by like tomorrow. Did he return it, or did he in fact wear it to breakfast tomorrow?
Who knows? Maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I won't.
And then watch the next video
for the answer.
See if he's wearing it or not.
Right? Well, until next time, remember, no capes.